Hello, friends. Throughout human history, people who have amassed great wealth and influence have come to see their status as a sign of divine favor. They forget where they've come from. Affluence causes amnesia. It turns neighbors into competitors for recognition, status, and goods. And like water dripping on a rock, it erodes the foundation of society, which is community, in ways that are barely noticeable until the whole thing gives way and collapses. Now, all of us in our own way suffer from the amnesia of influence. After all, we've worked hard for what we've got, and we're loath to give it away in ways that are more than tokenism. After all, it will just be wasted. And why can't someone else step up to the plate for once? Most of us, in one way or another, have bought into some version of the prosperity gospel. But the prosperity gospel is a lie. Yet we believe it's true, because in our affluence-induced amnesia, we've lost the truth of who and whose we are. We've neglected the call to create communities based not on competition, but on cooperation. We've ignored the command to include those whom the world has excluded. And we've done little to overturn the unjust systems of society. But the gospel isn't just a call for us to put the welfare of others over our own and to stop competing for the world's rewards. It's also a threat to the status quo, to the dominant model of class and welfare. It makes the empire nervous because it's an entry point into an alternate world, a world which isn't subject to the greed and coercion of Caesar. Christians are people with a peculiar identity, and people with a peculiar identity are inherently subversive. We need to remember that. We need to remember that we've been called by God to lives marked by compassion, not competition. We need to remember that we've been claimed by the love that will never let us go. There's no doubt that affluence is addictive. But when we remember that we're part of a community of faith called the kingdom of God, we know we're richer than we could have ever hoped or dreamed.